Hey everybody, I recorded the entire build to this and lost the footage. My camera malfunctioned, I guess. Here it comes. Well, anyway, I just figured I'd go ahead and at least just show the finished product. I did a bunch of research and figured out this is a 3-bay barn, garage, whatever you want to call it, and it's really weird. So each bay is roughly like 11 and a half feet. So my original plan was to just get garage doors and build in the sides, because most garage doors are uniform, but they're going to be less than whatever. So I was going to build up the middle sections and have a folding garage door just like any normal house. And I thought about how much work that would be. Then I decided, well, what about swinging doors like that? Well, the posts on this are pretty old and I'd have to drill and put new posts. So I decided to go for a sliding option. And this the barn's still in really good shape for being built in the 70s. My great uncle Frank and my grandpa built this barn, and so it's solid, and so it's not completely uniform as far as straight goes, but the doors, this sliding method works well. So it's 3 doors all on one rail. The middle door has a bypass. These are bypass rollers. So watch, I'll show you how this hole works. Back up a bit. So if I want to get into this bay here, I will push this one all the way over, and I come over to see, now I have access to the middle bay, but if I need access to the right bay, I just push this one over. And it works pretty good. Watch out. And then, so I have to put the ends on there. If I need access to the right one, I just push this one over. Or the left one, I mean. The left one. And now that one slides behind there. Like that. And it worked really well. I just ordered off Amazon. They're 16 feet a piece, or 18 feet. I'll have to look at the Amazon order and I'll put that link in the description. But this is just 2 sets of doors and then 1 set of bypass rollers. And I was able to do this with the wood and everything, probably under 400 bucks. And I got a lot of my wood on sale, because I would find at Home Depot, I would find wood that's like chipped or like has small minor defects, and they'll give you anywhere between 50 and 70% off. It rules. I get most of my materials like that in the purple mark pile at Home Depot. But this is pretty cool, and I opted for this sheet. I can't remember, I think it's 5/16 thickness, because it's lighter. I didn't want to go with a super thick piece of wood just because it'd be all super heavy unless you got a thicker piece of steel here. But I did reinforce. I put a 2x8 up here and reinforced the header board all the way across. And my original plan was to use corrugated metal in the doors for even a lighter product, but it's so expensive. I just went with the discounted wood. So hope this is helpful for somebody and you can use it on your door. Come here, come here, come here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.